I'm loving it.
First of all, bring down your logo to the timeline. Now, go to Shapes and use the pen tool to create a frame of your logo. This is going to take a few minutes of your time, but definitely worth it. Now, scale down the logo to your preferred size. Then, go to Stock Media and add the red color background. Now, go to Shape Settings and increase the weight of the frame. Also, change the color to match your logo. Now, use the Trim Path feature to create the reveal animation. Then, enable Fill and create a fade-in animation. Now, change the color to match the original. That's it. Your video is ready to export.